here, check gas, lift up.
For pilots who want to experience the pleasure of flying with an open cockpit, Aviad now offers the TrueLite. TrueLite is an efficient, reliable aircraft with character.
Everything is visible. For me, fun fly is don't think too much. Have few things to touch.
Because flying must remain accessible for all, designer Francesco Di Martino created a minimalist and affordable ultralight aircraft. The flight characteristics are quite impressive. For a cruising speed of about 100 kilometers per hour, this 100-kilo ultralight aircraft uses only 8 liters. The stall speed is 50 kilometers and the VNE of 170.
I make the aircraft to pass certification. Yes, we are in the new workshop. A lot of organization is necessary to make 10 aircraft at a time. The position. You record my mind.
Powered by a 36 horsepower Cosmos 300 engine, the TrueLite offers a climb rate of 1,000 feet per minute.
This is everything you need, nothing more. Not too fast, not too slow. You can go where you want. This is TrueLite. This is 100 kilograms.